Yes, greetings everyone. My name is Fred. What's your name?
Wasswa Titus Mickey.
Titus Mickey.
Yes.
You're from Uganda?
Yeah.
Your name sound American, Chinese, and those things.
It's just the accent.
It's just the accent.
Yes.
Okay. Good to meet you today.
Nice.
Yes. Which school are you?
Winston Standard Secondary School, Najana Nkombi.
Okay. When did you get to this school?
15th March. Yeah, that's when I arrived here.
Okay. You in which class?
Form 5,
Which combination?
physics, chemistry, and math. Then I stroke subsidiary ICT.
Okay. So you do sciences.
Yes.
They say that sciences are hard. How have you been able to manage?
I've heard of that statement, sciences are hard, but according to the experience I'm into right now, everything is in control. The PCM stroke ICT is in my hands.
It's in your hands. You're driving, it's not driving.
It cannot drive.
Wow. So that means you got an A in chemistry, O level?
And I have a B.
You have a B.
Yes.
So what are you hoping for in A level?
A level. Just like any other student, I wish to have the experience of school. You know, they say that as you hear it, advanced. You have to be really advanced. Maybe other people call it adult. So that is the experience I'm looking forward to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like personally, what motivates you to have that vigor to do whatever that you have to do in school?
Personally, first of all, I want to thank God for the ability He has given me that I can handle everything. Me, myself, I'm an all-round person, not saying that I cannot do the history, everything I can manage it. But according to the passion and the dream I have, that is the course I have to take.
Okay.
But me as myself, I'm an all-round person, I can do everything.
When most people when they're in high school, they have those things to do, girl-boys relationships. Are you into that?
No, I'm not into that.
Why? You're handsome, nice looking, and you look money.
I can say that, but one of the things I got from my mother, she told me that be disciplined, and according to the rules and regulations I signed, I saw that boy-girl relationship is not allowed, and I'm a person of following rules and regulations. So first of all, when I do that, I first think of breaking my mom's trust in me. Then I lay low.
All right. Send your last message to someone who is in A level and they're watching you and they're off track.
My last message will be like, if you get someone to speak crucial things to you, you have to take them critically. And then we are all having an experience in this world. Sincerely speaking, I did the boy-girl relationship in O level, but now I saw nothing I gained from it, apart from canes, getting suspended from school, nothing. So you may think that you are going to benefit, but there's nothing. The only thing I have to do is be disciplined and keep the education as your priority. You know, you have priorities. So those things, we shall grow up and they reach a time when our parents are like, Wasswa, when are you doing this? When are you getting married? When are you bringing a grandchild? But this time, we have to focus on our books and prioritize education.
All right. Thank you so much for the advice to every young person who has been watching Mr. Wasswa. Please remain focused, be disciplined, so that you can get the best reward out of your discipline. May God bless you.
Amen.
Right.